In this video, we're gonna take a look on how to use SUITECRM for beginners. So basically with SUITECRM, you'll be able to scale your business, you can build relationships, you can increase sales, you can engage your customers, and you can improve customer satisfaction. So as you can see here on SUITECRM, you get total freedom. So you basically reduce the total cost of ownership, and here you can integrate other APIs. So what we're gonna have to do is simply go to their official website, and then we're gonna have to click on get started. Now here you're gonna be able to download it and host your own server. And the great thing about this is that they offer a free trial. So if we go to demo, we're gonna be able to use it for 7 days for free. And here we have the username and the password. So we just have to simply download it and start using it. And basically the great thing about this is that they offer a lot of services. They offer support services. They basically have a lot of services that can improve your business. Now here we can simply see the support packages. So if you want to get 10 hours support, you're gonna have to pay basically 1,200 pounds. Now depending on your plan, you're gonna have to contact them and they will make you a plan based on your business. So you just have to fill in this information and then simply wait for their response. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.